In this video, I'll show you how you can render or export your videos with a transparent background using Kdenlive. So now, whether you've used the object selection to create a mask, or you've rotoscoped something, or even if you have a logo animation or lower third animation that you'd like to export as a video with a transparent background, this method is for you. So without any further ado, let's get right into it. The first thing I'll do is disable the track behind our cutout here. Then I'll hold down Ctrl and press Enter, and this will open our rendering window. To render with a transparent background, go to the presets inside of the video with alpha. In here we have 4 options. The first one being alpha MOV. If you look at the bottom right here of the rendering window, you'll see a breakdown of what that profile is doing, or that preset. Okay, so the alpha MOV is somewhat generic, it's a basic one. The alpha VP8 is lossy and not as widely supported. The alpha VP9 is the successor to the alpha VP8. It's more recent, has better support, and can be used for web. And lastly, we have the FFmpeg FFV1, which is supposed to be lossless, decent compression, and overall good choice. So you can experiment with these, try the different profiles or research, or simply refer to the breakdown at the bottom here. Alright, so once you've picked a profile, simply choose a destination and a name for your export. I will be exporting the selected zone and render to file. We can do the same thing with the logo animation over here. So let's disable the background. I'll hold down Ctrl, press Enter, and let's choose a different profile this time. I'll go with the FFmpeg FFV1. And let's change the name up here to render to file. With our render finish, we're left with 2 videos with transparent backgrounds. Alright then, I have a Ko-fi link down in the description for those of you who like to support the channel. You can click on this playlist here to learn more about Kdenlive, or this playlist here to learn more about Friction. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time.